So this is the current version of my electric solar card. Before it was like this. It was just without solar. It was 2 car batteries. The version before had just one motor, but it wasn't enough to go up steep hills. And so I added 2 more motors. The track is really bad, so other option is to put one wheel in the front. I took the steering handle from an old bicycle which somebody threw out, and I wanted it to make it really slow so that also kids can use it, or when I go up the hill I don't have to run. So it has 2 options. One is going forward like a motorbike, and the other option is I turn around the handlebar, and then the motor hubs are in the front between the wheels. There are 2 car batteries, so it's pretty heavy, and there is a traction even up the hill when there is some mud. And when the hill is really steep, I can push the handlebars a bit to help it. So up the hill I'm not driving it, I'm in the cart with the kids only on a nice road. The current version is probably version 5. It's a prototype. It's functional. It's not pretty. It's made fast because I was changing it, so there was no necessity. It wasn't the final version, so the first the function, and then later when there will be no changes I can make it nicer, but probably I will just leave it like it is. It's enough for me that it's functional. It doesn't have to be pretty. And there were first why I started this is to get small kids up the hill, because the hill was steep, and I didn't want to carry them on my back anymore, so I needed to make it off-road. But first I had just one motor. It was 350 watt, and this was not enough. I had to push it really hard, so I added 2 more. Now it was okay. I managed to get the kids up the hill, but the roads were very bad, so there were some problems with it, and it was working, but in the end the weather wasn't that nice. There was no more need to go up those hills, so then I changed it to drive them through the village. So I'm making upgrade because, as you can see, it's raining, but when it's raining it's not really good because it's muddy. So I'm making a roof, and I wanted to make it of some plastic, but in the end I decided to buy a solar panel, and it will be here protecting me from the rain, because I don't want to go up the muddy roads, dirt roads, and then clean the quad. So this is big enough to cover all the quad, and it's steep, so the rain falls down, and later also the snow will go down. So on an asphalt road, which was quite easy, then I turned it more to like a motorbike, where the motors are in the back, not more in the front. Even the versions before I was using like power station, but this wasn't enough. So then I switched to car batteries, and at the moment, because it's raining a lot, so I wanted to make a roof, and in the end I decided to buy for 100 euros the solar panel, which is the roof, and also it's charging the car batteries, so it would be maybe like 30 or 50 euros for plastic roof, which would be much lighter. This is like 26 kilograms more, because of the solar panel has its weight, and the plastic would be maybe 1 kilogram, I don't know. So the weight went up, which is not a good thing, but when it will protect me from the rain, it will be good. And I'm also thinking about using some plastic tarps, which I can see through, as a cover against rain. If the rain will be heavy, I will test it, how it works in the rain. And I'm planning also to put some covers around the wheels, so the water is not splashing, or water and mud is not splashing somewhere where the cables are or the battery is. And if you would like to see the next versions, subscribe, and probably I will post a later video of the final version, and let you know how does it work in the longer term, if the 500 watt peaks solar panel is charging also in this raining weather, or if I need to charge the batteries from the electric socket. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.